Hello, I've seen a message about having pixelation in textures. Some people like to have that pixelation effect. It can be done basically with an image editing software by resizing the image by about 25–50% and then stretching the image over its original size. It gives you a basic implementation of pixelation, but it's not very good. The other method is to not have MIP maps, but obviously Max puts MIPs into textures that haven't got them. So I've created a little app that's a little bit more cleaner than stretching an image. So I've got a basic model here from Classic that I did ages ago. It's just a basic chest. It was a tutorial I did. The first thing you need to do is, that's the texture, but it's in DDS. I've converted the textures to PBR because they weren't PBR, and that gives me the benefit of having the PNGs as well. So it's the PNG files that we need. So all we need to do is we run the application and then open the PNG file. So if I go to that chest folder, go into the source, and it doesn't matter which one of those two, I'll go with that one. What it automatically does is set a density of 10 pixels, so it's 10 pixel cubes. So you can see already that it's got pixelation in there. If we just reset that, that's the preview, and you can see it's exactly the same. We can go up in steps and do 1 pixel at a time, or when the app starts, it will remember the last default set pixel size that you set. So if I set this to 10, which it is, it'll reset that to 10, but every time the application loads, it'll automatically set that pixel size. So you can actually set it to whatever you want, but that's what we've got. So I think 10 is a reasonable enough for an effect without losing too much quality. So now if we just save that, I've got a folder called Pixelated on my desktop. So I'm going to save it in there, and I'm going to call it what it originally was, which was chest color. So save. Okay, so if I go in the pixelated folder, we've got the chest color PNG. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create, well, first of all, I'm going to copy this over. Okay, so we've got that. I'm going to create the other textures with my texture wizard. It's the easiest way of doing it. So if I open that pixelated one, would you like to redo it? No, I don't. And then generate a normal. I mean, you could use the other images, but this creates everything that I need in one go anyway, so I might as well just do this. And then I will invert the textures, or invert the normal map, and generate them. Okay, export. Yes, I want an FBE. I'll call this pixel chest. Choose the model. Save. Okay, so if I go into the texture wizard, into the chest, there's my pixelated model. So now, if I go into my Max folder, Entity Bank, User, Graphics, I'll create, well, what I could do actually is just copy that in. So this is the standard one. Okay, I'll create another folder. or pixel. Go here, I'll copy these across. There we go. And now I'll start up Max. Go to basic blank level. Add. Go to my user folder. There's the original chest. Just rotate it so we can see it. And then I'll add, should be a pixel folder. Can add that one, rotate it. Oops. Let's just get out of the way here. Okay, if I run that, you see on the left we have the standard texture and on the right the pixelated one. And it gives that nice pixelated effect without ruining the actual asset. So a couple of other things I'm going to do with it, but I think that looks quite good. So I'll post that ASAP. Thank you.